Hey everyone, this is Will from Das Keyboard. I'd like to show you how to remove and install the keycaps for Cherry MX switches, which can be found on some of our keyboards. This particular example will show you how to transform a Das Keyboard 4Q from looking like this to looking like this, with translucent keycaps that are available to purchase from our store. Let's start. When opening the keycap box, please ensure that all keycaps are present, along with stabilizer pegs and a keycap removal tool. When removing keycaps from the keyboard with lighting, please make sure the keyboard is unplugged so that the LED backlights don't blind your eyes. What you're going to want to do is to get your keycap puller and place it on top of the keycap, like so, and make sure that whenever you pull up straight vertically. Don't wiggle it or remove it from an angle. For keycaps with stabilizer bars, first pull up the keycap to loosen it. Then push the keycap to one side to remove the keycap peg from the stabilizer bar on one end. Then push it the opposite way to completely remove the keycap. Now let me show you how to install the keycaps. For most of the keys, just align the keycap over the switch and push down. For keycaps that need the stabilizer, first insert the pegs in with the long edge of the peg pointing to the top. Now, insert the keycap by angling the peg on one end and hooking it into the stabilizer bar. Continue pushing on this end with enough force to insert the other peg to the other end of the stabilizer bar. Now align the keycap over the switch and push down. And here's the finished product. Have a nice day.